Hi everyone, we have with us international master Anuj Srivatri. Anuj just drew his game against Grandmaster Sava Vetokin. Anuj, can you tell us about the game?
Yeah, so it was a very complicated game. So I played this very enterprising line like with b5 b4 in Catalan, and I was expecting like he will play knight d2 instead of knight e5, but he played knight e5, so that was also variation. But I had not looked very deeply into it, and yeah, it was very complicated position, and I think like at some point I was really better. Like when I played knight d4 and he took bishop d4, ed4. That position I thought like if black gets time, then it is very good for black. But at one point I think I made one mistake. Like I played rook e8, and which allowed like queen f3. So that was a tempo loss for me. I think like instead I could have played c5 and queen f3. I could directly go rook c8. So I think that was one opportunity, and even after that it was like not so easy position for white. Like the problem is like his king is always weak, and even I am exchange down, like my bishops are very strong, and even if he trades the queen sometimes, even then like his b3 pawn is really weak in the end game. So in the end, like he played this very interesting idea with h4, like he wants to play king h2, and I thought like if he gets it, then maybe he can be better, just because like his rook can get into play. So that's why I avoided with queen h3. So now king h2 is not possible, and yeah, in the end like I think it was just equal. Maybe somewhere I had this plan with c4, like when he played rook d3, I played bishop a6. After rook d2 maybe I could go c4, but I was not sure, and like we both were in time pressure. So yeah, I think draw was the fair result, but I'm yet to check with the India like what it is.
Yeah, in the end, you went to call the arbiter. What actually happened, if you can tell us?
Yeah, so like in the end, I thought like I can't avoid the threefold repetition. So like I checked the score sheet, and it was like 3 times. So I asked my opponent, but he refused the draw. So then I searched the arbiter, but there was no arbiter in the stage. So then I saw like there is an arbiter like downstairs, and I was signaling him, but he was like maybe he was busy in some other games. So I went to the arbiter, then I called him, and then he checked with the checked in the computer. Like yeah, after that it was a draw. Like we checked together, and it was 3 times repetition.
So your claim was correct then?
Yeah, my claim was correct.
Anuj, before this event, I think you played another event in France where you finished second, I guess. If you could tell us how was that event for you?
Yeah, that event, it was actually in the end it went a bit bad, but overall it was a good event. I think like I increased some rating, and it was overall a very good place. Like I played Vojny Open. It's a very good place. Like there are a lot of mountains there and lot of greenery. So like it's kind of very good place to even visit as a tourist. So playing a tournament there was like really good, and the organizers were very supportive. So yeah, that was a good tournament, and it is the third tournament for me in this trip. Before that, I also played one round robin in Czech Republic.
Yeah, in that round robin, I think if I'm not mistaken, you finished second in GM Group B, I guess.
No, I think I finished third. Actually, that was also going very good tournament, but in the end, like it was also not so great. Like I think I needed 2.5 out of 3 points to make a GM norm, and one game I pressed very hard, and in the end it was draw. But then in time pressure I made one blunder, and I lost that game. But overall, that was also a very good tournament. Like I increased rating, and it was a lot of learning experiences along the way.
Well, Anuj, I won't take any much of your time. Last 2 rounds left. I wish you all the best for the last 2 rounds of this tournament.
Okay, thank you.